Welcome to AS Card Design, where creativity meets simplicity and card making is made joyful, easy, and inspiring. My name is Annette Stevens, and I'm so excited to invite you into my creative space. Whether you're a total beginner or just looking to refresh your crafting routine, my channel is your go-to source for easy-to-follow, beginner-friendly tutorials on creating beautiful handmade cards. Every video you watch is created right here in my studio. I'll take you behind the scenes and show you exactly where the magic happens, giving you a glimpse into my creative process, just like you're crafting right here beside me. I'll show you a variety of techniques like ink blending over stencils, direct-to-paper stamping, and of course my personal favorite, die cutting. Watch as I use this gorgeous metal butterfly die to create an intricate cut and see how I bring it to life on a card front with a simple, elegant layering technique that anyone can do. I'll show you how I organize my tools and supplies, from my inks and blending brushes to stamps and my favorite stamping platform, all stored to keep crafting fun and stress-free. And when I'm not crafting, you'll often find me recharging with a walk through my local park. Nature inspires so much of what I create, and I'm happy to share this peaceful spot, a little slice of my world, with you. Every card has a story, and I'd love for you to be a part of mine. Subscribe to AS Card Design on YouTube and tap that notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. And follow me on Facebook and Instagram for even more inspiration, behind-the-scenes peeks, and crafty conversations. I invite you to visit my website to see a variety of available cards and check out my blog. It features more video content of my card tutorials. If you're in Central Ohio, be sure to stop by Ohio Art Market in Westerville, where you'll find my cards alongside the best handmade goods Ohio has to offer. Thanks for stopping by. Now let's make something beautiful together.